I seen them from the top of the hill over there. Oh, is that where they are? They're hung up in the fence.
Yeah.
So they're trying to pull them out then.
They came back in to get some wire cutters. And then they went back out.
But over there's some horses.
I think they lost one because I seen one go up belly up.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. They said they couldn't even get to the paint course. They said it was too. The paint course wouldn't let them nowhere near it.
I wonder why them two down there at that barn aren't moving.
I guess because they're okay right now. You know, they're above the water by a far right there.
You say it's already gone down some?
Yeah, it's gone down. So see where it was on the, right there. It was at the window when we came. See it?
Yeah.
See the watermark on the house?
Right. That the boat they were riding around in?
No, they're out there in the boat.
The bottom of those houses are gone.
Yeah, there's houses and stuff out there, aren't there?
There's one behind those two trees, and there's white garage ones big, and this is another one right here.
So the one on the trees, oh, I can see the roof of it, yeah.
Just barely see.
There's the other road on the other side.
Look at that bar right there.
Yeah, I was looking at that a minute ago.
So where did they live?
Now there's that one horse. He's just hanging out over there.
He's still alive?
Yeah, he's just standing there.
The two in the front's hung in the fence.
The two on this side right here?
Yeah, over here in front of the building.
I was wondering why they hadn't gone anywhere.
They was trying to move earlier in their home.
They're trying to do what?
They was trying to move earlier and they're hung in the fence.
Oh, they are. So they can't see down underneath there then to...
They're out there getting the other ones undone right
Where are the other ones at? On the other side of the house?
Some of them's up there.
How many of them are there?
I don't have a clue. This guy had two right here. They're up there. And I don't know how many chemical they moved two trailer loads up there. Trailer loads too. They cut the fence this morning and tried to herd them horses out.
Get a rope! There's another rope! Oh, well, they got a rope in the boat. Has he got a halter? No. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, some of them are some 2-3-year-olds in there. The rest of them don't have.
And this is supposed to be one of the ones that ain't broke, right?
Tell them to take that rope and put it behind that horse.
Under the water.
baby.
He's on the ground now. He ain't swimming like he was.
He ain't swimming or nothing.
Like all these down here are on ground too.
Hey, don't come out the front.
Your horse is okay?
Yep. Yeah, so they back out and about now.
Five. Down there right on the.
They're making a lot of progress because when they came, they were letting me out and they got them out finally. But thankfully, there are those many left. I'm not counting them. One or two, or three or four, 5 or 6 or 7 people. I don't think anyone died over here. Anyways, thank you.